here for our meal? What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are chilling with our coffee. I made some waffles for Andre and I this morning. Carl is still enjoying the fort. Yes, I did not take it down. We are gonna have ourselves a cozy day. I'm gonna share my entire day with you. We're gonna do a face mask. We're going to possibly do a DIY project because I listened to you and I watched Little Shop of Horrors. Now, if you follow on Instagram, you may have laughed with me because I'm in Canada, and for whatever reason, there's far less movies and shows available here, like on Netflix and different streaming platforms. Like, we don't even have all this. We don't have Hulu. We're deprived. But I tried to download and purchase Little Shop of Horrors on Apple TV, and the only one that was available looked fine, so I got that, and it wasn't expensive. It was like $4.99 or something. It looks like it's from the 1600s. No, it's from like 1960 something. It's terrible. So I shared on Instagram and I was like, is this the right one? You guys were like, no. So I found a website that I could like stream it on, and I just watched it from my iPad. It was so cute. And now I want the little thing. Is it Audrey? I think I want to rewatch it already. I want to rewatch it as I do this DIY. So we're going to start that project. It might continue into another video. The other thing I want to do, because I'm now on the baking train I made some pumpkin spice protein waffles this morning. They're actually really clean. If you do pumpkin puree, not pumpkin pie filling, there's a big difference between pumpkin pie filling and pumpkin puree, but just organic pumpkin with some cinnamon. I did some protein powder in there. I mean, it was birthday cake protein powder, but whatever. And I mixed that all together with a little bit of cashew milk, and that's what made the waffles. And then, I mean, the other part was the icing, but no one needs to know about that part either. So Andre and I had that. I made myself a cup of coffee. We're doing all the pumpkin spice everything until the end of time. I think I'm even gonna do like a pumpkin mask because I have pumpkin eye patches and I have a pumpkin sheet mask, so we might do that. I need to wash my hair. You guys are gonna be a part of it all. So if that's something you want to see, then just keep watching.
May you always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Just the sight of you when I'm at my weakest point makes a world of difference, oh, you make me strong. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Order in a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. You're the first thing in the morning and the last. Baby, you're my future and you are my past. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Order in a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong.
Okay, so I'm all freshened up. I'm going to go downstairs and get my Instacart order because we're gonna bake and cook some stuff. So I wanna prep dinner. Guess who it is? You feeling cool? After the scary teddy fell on you in the fort video? That was hilarious. I think I can use this for my DIY. I might take pieces of it apart, or I could just make it. No, he needs to be in a coffee tin. So I also ordered, I wanna make like a really nice beef stew for dinner, like a very fall meal. I got some potatoes, I got some stewing beef, and then, listen, I'm not a baker, but I think this recipe is gonna be incredible. I wanna make we need a better name for it. I think they call them like dump and bake cakes. We're not gonna call it that. Can we please come up with a better name? I'm gonna come up with a better name before the end of this video. But it's like a pumpkin cake. And you just toss and bake. Let's call it, like shake and bake? Let's call it toss and bake. A pumpkin cake. And it sounds delightful. So I needed some eggs. And every recipe that I share in this, because I realize I've made the waffles, I'm gonna do the stew, and then the cake, I will pin all of them to my Pinterest. Like I'll make a pin for them and put them on my Pinterest. Oh no, this is way too big of a coffee tin. Okay, wait, I have a backup plan. Oh no, okay. That's huge. I thought that it was gonna be like half this size. Look at the size, the same size of my head. It's way too big. That is not the size. Okay, here's my other idea. And I lit the candle just in case. So oh, it stopped burning. Okay, this is more the size I was going for. So this is like a little tin that's like a Haunted Mansion candle. Smells delish. I could finish burning it or just become impatient. I mean, or just cover up the bottom with some moss and stuff and some leaves. So this is what he's gonna be in. There's no way that this is gonna be finished tonight because the actual thing will have to dry, but you're still gonna be a part of it. You want your Darth Vader? Welcome to the dark side. You ready? Okay, you ready? You gotta sit. Sit, sit, sit. Good boy. Ready? Go get it. All right, so I'm gonna make the stew and the cake, and we're gonna have a full cozy evening. So this really is like a full day routine. So you guys are a part of it. So if you wanna see all the recipes, let's keep going.
Dressing clouds and suns. Maybe, just maybe, I wanna explore the unknown. Tell me, maybe, I say come, whatever comes. Maybe, just maybe, deep sleep, big heat, cover me, re-energize me. While I fantasize, deep sleep, big heat, cover me.
Okay, we're just setting the table for dinner. We are watching Hocus Pocus. I took down the fort. Well on my way with my DIY. You need a small update and then you'll see the rest in the Halloween day. I don't know what this is. You'll see the rest in part 2 of the Halloween day routine. Also, I changed because I live in a romper. It's going really well, right? Absolutely incredible. So Andre and I are probably gonna watch, Andre.
Harry Potter.
I have changed man in this house. Who be Halloween or Harry Potter?
Oh my god, that's a tough decision now. I think Harry Potter, but I like Who Be Halloween a lot.
He's like a new human. So the stew turned out really well. What I want to do next time though, and I'm gonna share this with you guys now, is do like, I didn't have time, but do like a Pillsbury dough within it. So it's like kind of like a stew within a pie. I'm all about the Pillsbury dough this season. It's everything. So I added gravy at the last minute. I did add red wine that I did not show. A little bit of red wine, some gravy. Last minute, you just stir it into a little bit of water to thicken everything up. Add the peas at the end so that they don't get all soggy. And that's it. Super simple. We're gonna mix a salad, pour some wine, which just, you know, we're really real on this channel, so it already happened. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the cozy day routine. We are snuggling by the fire. We're gonna turn this off. It's literally the best part of Hocus Pocus 2 right now. Turn that off, put on Harry Potter. Harry Potter is the final verdict.
Yes, it is.
And we're gonna cozy up and eat our dinner. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. This was such a fun video to film because you literally came with me on our entire day and it was truly so cozy and so warm and we didn't even go outside and it was cold out today and ugh. So tomorrow's Halloween. Stay tuned for the Halloween day routine. I love you guys. I can't wait for that video. Hopefully this little Audrey, is that her name? Audrey? Hopefully Audrey is done by then. And I'm a changed person and apparently so is Andre. So I love you guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye dudes.